At yun na nga guys, pumunta na nga si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte doon sa hearing. Dahil ang kulit nila eh. Gusto nilang pumunta doon eh. Ito, pakinggan nyo yung supalpal niya kay Risa Ontiveros.
Depends on, ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view, that.
It's not my view only, Mr. Chair. Thank you for putting it on the record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan
salamat
ang totoo
kayo, Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of a community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator
putting it on
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
At
Alam
kung
niyo,
pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor.
silence please.
Osaa, silence the